Bhagwan gave me key. Then I was sitting for driving. Then that guy was so scared. I am so happy and excited. I am husband of Bhagwan.
So guys, now we are filling for our address. Address we have to play. Which car we are buying?
If I say right, we are buying. I'm getting emotional. Maybe I'll cry now.
Vita is crying. नमस्ते दोस्तों,
ये नई वीडियो में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। और इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे एक स्पेशल न्यूज़ है। We finally decided to buy car.
Okay, so which car it is? Now we are going. We'll book finally.
We will not say now. We'll go there and we'll show you. Actually, last year we wanted to get car. If definitely you saw the videos. But suddenly, like different things happened. Like we wanted to go Iran also. We thought now again 3 months we are in Iran, so no use of buying car. But now this time we decided to buy car because we want to go to a lot of places and we'll require. And Bhagwan also will practice.
मुझे उतनी नहीं आती, बेटा को मतलब बहुत अच्छा आते हैं। मैंने अभी मतलब पिछले साल ही सीखा था ड्राइविंग स्कूल से, लेकिन उतना मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है। लेकिन बेटा
learn because for me from age of 18-year-old I have driving
मतलब बेटा को परफेक्ट आती है, मतलब
so it's like 7-8 years. And this also I want to say that first let me say this one that yesterday they came here and they took car. They took this car that we want to buy from
for test drive.
For test drive. For test drive, they came here. I didn't know because in Iran I never saw that they come. You have to go. So they came. Then Bhagwan gave me key. Then I was sitting for driving. Then that guy was so scared. He was like, "How, you know properly driving?" Then Bhagwan said, "Huh, she knows." Because in India I never saw.
No, they drive but very
less. Means so less people are they know driving and they do the car. So I remember that guy was shocked and he's like, "You know driving properly?" Then I said, 7-8 years I have driving license. He was like, "You have driving license?" He was not trusting me. And once I parked the car again, I came out of the car.
We took one round.
I was like, good, master, something like this. It was like good driving you did. So another thing I wanted to say, we were thinking to like, is it better for us to buy
new car
or second-hand car?
So we are confused.
So one car we saw, it was second-hand, but it was so new.
2024.
24, no?
It was like 15 months. 1.5 year old.
So that guy only used it for 1.5 years. So we thought, okay, let's see this car, how it is and this thing. And it was not like broken. So you can trust
directly
more.
from owner.
Yeah, so you can trust more. We went, we saw, but he was giving like
little bit expensive.
Then again,
it was Nissan Magnite base model 2024, but he put lot of things like touch screen and seat covers. Lot of things he put.
Also will be less because we will be like second owner.
We'll be second. If you want to sell, it will be like
third
or second.
No, we'll be second.
We will be second.
Will not be first owner.
Also, thing is, that day only we thought ki let's search about new car also. Ki how much is price. So
Bhagwan was searching like different cars. Don't say what we want to see.
So we are going now. We will see.
Sure. So he was searching like this
finally
car is good, that car is good. So finally we thought little bit more money if we pay, we can buy new one. So we thought new one is better. Let's go. Today we are going to do our agreement and...
Not agreement, we will do booking amount. Means we are going to book the car. Then later on, let's see when we have to pay down payment and delivery and this thing. We will explain everything.
Let's hope for the best.
So we got good deal. I don't know exactly how much it is like, means other state.
That also we can say when we are there.
In one story else is there. We'll share with you once we go there.
Chalo guys,
bye.
We did our exercise also
today. We did exercise.
We are like powerful. We are going to shop.
Let's see.
So
guys, मतलब न्यूज़ ऐसे आ रहे हैं कि शायद फिर से वार हो जाए ईरान और इजराइल का, लेकिन उतना पता नहीं क्या हो सकता है।
I am husband of Bhagwan.
So, but I want to reveal which car we are buying.
If I say right, we are buying Tata Tiago XM model,
Second base model,
second base model.
petrol.
Okay. I think last year also same thing
Same
we
car
wanted to buy.
we wanted to buy, but we decided to go Iran, so we cancelled.
But same car we
Same
wanted to
car.
buy. Okay.
So, but I want to say that story. What happened yesterday?
So actually yesterday,
Actually,
we were
wait.
just asking different people.
Different showroom. We are calling and talking to them. So what happened?
Bhagwan, he's so simple. I was saying to him, don't be this much simple. Because they were saying more than 6,05,000, we cannot go less.
Actually, see, on road price means actual price is 6.32 something. It is like 6.32 lakh something.
So they were saying more than 6 lakhs,
6 lakh 5,000 or 6 lakh 10,000. They were saying like final offer.
So what happened? Bhagwan called one person and he sent list of prices.
Means on road price, how much it is?
And the price was 5.99.
99.
So, but by himself he said no. I think it was lie.
Lie.
He said, this is for last month. So Bhagwan kept that picture and he sent to other showrooms.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm getting for this much.
I'm getting for 5.99. So then other people, they have so much competition, na? They were calling and they were saying, okay, we will give you 5.9.
5.9.
Then it went to 5.89 and more than this no one is giving offer. And they are giving some
accessories
also, accessories of course.
So what happened? From one showroom we contacted two people. Okay, so one guy was saying he will give 6 lakh 5,000. Another guy was saying 5.9 lakh. So I called and I said to another guy, we are getting 5.9. If you have better offer than this, tell us. He was like, it's not possible. No one can give. Maybe.
That one you said.
Then I said, accessories also they are giving. He's like, then definitely they are duplicate. Means they are fake. Then I said,
then he said he's from your showroom.
Your showroom only. Then he got shocked.
It was so funny.
Okay, then let's go, guys. He's waiting for us. Okay.
Maybe that person is here. He'll be like, you didn't fix car with me.
So what happened with you?
So now, I think this guy is good person. Means I don't get that.
Definitely they are saying more price, but this one is better than all people.
Yeah. It's their job. We cannot expect free they will give.
So we are getting for 5.89
5.89
with 15,000 accessories plus coating.
Yeah.
Paint coating they are giving.
So we thought this one only will take. He went to take some documents. We have to fill and we have to sign. I think after how many days again we have to pay the
down payment? I think after 3 days he's saying we have to pay, and car will come till 20 or 22 October. So nearly 15 days delivery time.
Okay.
So guys, now we are filling for our address. Address we have to blur. So Beta wanted to fill for, so she is filling. So he helped us. His name is Deepak. So he said directly price. He didn't play with us. Ki price is this much or that much. Direct he gave deal. So he's good person. So guys, finally we book our car.
I cannot believe. And last time we came, it's like yesterday only. I cannot.
मतलब 1 साल चला गया, पता भी नहीं चला.
Yeah. So I think after 2 weeks, our car will come and we'll start journey going here.
So they are saying ki they will try before Diwali or maximum till 22 October they will try to deliver our car. So let's see. Okay, we'll show you a whole journey how it will be, and we are excited. This is first car in our family, and we are buying by ourselves.
Yeah.
Yes, so that is a big thing. We are not taking loan or anything. It's our money, and we are using for car and this thing. So let's see.
Everyone always be happy and they can get what they want. I'm so happy and excited. Most thing is, I don't care about car and this thing. Only thing is, I'm so happy because we will start our trip, and this is like, I always see car as something which will work for me, like that, like washing machine. It will make works easy. But some people love like to have some special brands of car, and this thing, I'm not like that. Just a good car that will not get damaged easily, and we can go here and there, and it will be like my water.
Guys, now we'll go. Actually, my laptop also became kharab. So I want to show laptop. We're showing nearby one shop. Then we'll show our laptop and then we'll go home.
I'm so happy.
Should we eat something outside?
Huh?
Last year भी हमें लेना था car. Last year also we wanted to buy car, but
Yeah, maybe
then
I believe
good things
everything
happen.
happens on its exact time. So maybe last year we didn't.
It was not.
It was not meant to happen like that.
So this year we are buying. Let's see.
Yeah.
And we have so many plans. We are going for volunteering. So many plans are there.
So we thought for going volunteering also it's better to have car. We need car.
Yes. So let's see. We'll show our whole journey, how it will be.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like this will be like responsibility also. So many things are coming. So let's see.
Okay, guys.
Bye.
I'm getting emotional. Maybe I'll cry now.
Hello guys. Sorry, we are not going. So Bita got so much emotional. She was crying. She was
I
saying
didn't
ki,
cry. I
uh,
was just doing Thanksgiving when we are walking.
well, last year we wanted to buy also, and we were worried about saving also. Now we have enough saving also. So finally we took decision to buy. So now we found one temple here nearby. So Bita just want to go and pray.
I just want to remove my cries because if in street I cry, because I believe that God is everywhere. So if in street I cry, here. If
Okay.
I cry in street, people will think Bhagwan did something to me. They will maybe capture me.
Dog. Bita is scared of dog. There him, Bita. What is doing? Be a little this side. What is doing? Bita. हाँ, you can go or you cannot. वर तो चलते ना? You can go. Inside you cannot go. Vita is crying. Vita is scared of dog.